In this video, I'm going to show you how to darken an image in Photopea. First, import your image into your Photopea project so it is visible in the workspace. Now click on the New Adjustment Layer icon located at the lower right-hand side of your screen in the Layers panel. When you click on it, you will see multiple options such as brightness/contrast, levels, curves, vibrance, saturation, and black and white. Any of these adjustments can be used to darken an image depending on the type of control you want over your tones and lighting. Let's begin with the simplest method, which is brightness and contrast. Click on brightness/contrast from the adjustment layer menu. To darken your image, simply move the brightness slider toward the left. As you drag the slider further left, you will notice your image gradually becoming darker. If you want to enhance the overall look at the same time, you can slightly increase the contrast slider. This helps add depth and prevents the image from looking flat after reducing brightness. If you are working with multiple layers and only want to darken one specific image instead of the entire project, make sure the brightness/contrast adjustment layer is placed directly above the image layer you want to affect. Then right-click on the adjustment layer and select Clipping Mask. This ensures that the darkening effect applies only to the layer directly beneath it. Another method is using the Curves adjustment. Click again on the New Adjustment Layer icon and choose Curves. In the Curves panel, you will see a diagonal line. As you pull it lower, the image will become darker. You can also darken your image using Hue and Saturation. Add a new Hue/Saturation adjustment layer from the same menu. In the Properties panel, reduce the lightness slider by dragging it to the left. This will decrease the overall brightness of the image. Just like before, if you only want this adjustment to affect one specific layer, place the Hue/Saturation layer above that image, right-click on it, and select Clipping Mask. All of these methods are non-destructive because they use adjustment layers, which means you can always go back and fine-tune your settings at any time without permanently altering your original image. And this is how you can darken an image in Photopea.